There's something I've been wanting to do for a long time now that I haven't been able to because I did not have the right gemstones. Until now. If you've ever played the game Blendoku on your phone, it's one of my favorite games. If you haven't played and you're colorblind, I don't recommend it, but if you're not and you enjoy like crossword puzzle type games but without words, with colors, I highly recommend checking it out. You basically blend colors and it can be something like blending purple to yellow and then green to blue, and it's like a crossword puzzle. Is that the right word? Yeah, crossword puzzle, right? That's the one with like 14 down, 7, like that one. If you haven't played it, I highly recommend checking it out. That's something that I want to do with my jewelry more. I want to blend colors with gemstones. So I'm not going to give you too much info as to what I'm doing. I will tell you we are making an Argentium Pave ring, and Blendoku is your clue, I guess. So I'm just going to get started, and I hope you enjoy this video. My name is Vanessa. I am a self-taught metalsmith, and I'm the creator of With Love Jewelry. Just came off of working with 14 karat gold, and I started rolling Argentium, and I'm like, this is so easy compared to that. So kind of glad to have a little break in between working with gold to be able to work with silver. My hands are cramping from trying to hold my piece and my flex shaft so tight, but we're almost done with all of our burring, so then we get to do the fun part, which is setting the stones. put my little tool that I pick up I just had my gemstones with. I don't know. Are you serious? I just put it down. It has the gemstone on there. There's like a gremlin or something on my table that's where is it? Okay. You guys saw me. I'm going to have to go back and oh, here it is. Oh my God. So I have look where they are. They're right here. And from where I'm looking, like, you can't see them. Jeez. All right. That was... Glad I caught that on camera. That was ridiculous. Don't like this one. Where's my other one? Here you are. It's a brand new day and I have just arrived at the post office. It's been a couple of weeks since I've checked my P.O. box. I know that's so bad of me, but we're here now, so we're gonna go check it, and I think there's something there for me, and I'm really excited to see what it is. There was something there, and I'm so excited. I want to open it and see what it is. Let's see, let's see. Will you stay? Stay. Stay. It's not gonna stay. Okay, hold on. Will you stay? Okay, hold on. How can I do this? I should really just... Okay, hold on. Let's open it. Okay, that kind of works. Oh my God. Okay. Oh my goodness. Okay. I don't know if you guys have seen when I try and use a scribe, I use like a regular nail. So a good friend of mine, thank you so much, Gabby. I'm so excited to use this. Sent me a real scribe. I'm so excited. So we're gonna go home and use it. Okay. Much better. So let's open our scribe. I'm so excited about this. I've always wanted an actual scribe. Just for reference, this is what I normally use. It's just a nail. So I actually have a scribe now. I'm so excited. Ooh, it's a double, what do they call it? Double-ended scribe, and it's super like greasy. I don't know if it's grease that they put on them so that they stay like fresh. Just gonna wipe it off. Wow. Ooh, that's sharp. You guys. First of all, look how beautiful it is. Like, the design is stunning. I'm so excited for this. There's so much I can do with this. Thank you so much, Gabby. I can't wait to start using it. I have the perfect, what's it called? Inspo photo for this ring. And this actually happened yesterday at sunset. Now we are fall going into winter, and in my head, this palette was sunrise, but because sunsets in the summer, like I have pictures and videos and stuff of sunsets in the summer and how intense and saturated they are. And so that's sunset in my head. But when I saw this yesterday, I'm like, this is like literally my palette. So maybe it's winter sunset, summer sunrise, and then summer sunset, winter sunrise. I don't quite know. But let's see. We've got our pinks in, and now we are moving to we're moving to our orange. To think, am I doing pink, yellow, orange? No, pink, orange, yellow. Whoops. So I just drilled into my finger. Actually, I didn't drill, I burred into my finger. I was doing an Instagram live, and the entire time I'm like, don't burr into yourself, don't drill into yourself. And I didn't. The entire time it was great. And then as soon as I got off, I went to burr and it slipped and it went right into my finger, and I had like a nice big gash taken out of me. And so now this is useless because this is normally the finger that I stabilize my saw blade with. And when it's big and bulky like this, I have a hard time doing it. But it's okay because we're just setting stones right now. All right, my gemstones kind of moved around, so I gotta find them all. That's one. Okay, there they are. Orange. Goodness, these are so beautiful. I love it already. The pink to the orange looks so good. Can you see? Not really. You'll see it when it's done. And I'm so glad I'm finally getting used to these magnifying visors. This is okay. No. Normally they would give me a headache and I like couldn't figure out how to use them, but I'm getting used to them and it's going well. And I keep telling myself you need to practice getting used to them because it's not the same, but it'll be good practice for when I get my microscope. Because the way that you look through a microscope is different than if you're just looking at your piece. So I'm like, get used to working with these so you're, you know, multifaceted. You can look with your eyes, you can look with these, and then you can look with your microscope when you get your microscope. When, not if, it will happen. Goodness, this orange sapphire is so stunning. The color is insane. Sometimes when I can't get them to sit straight, I flip them over and then I press my ring into that. You see that? It clicked beautifully. Yeah. And then they're nice and in there and I can set them. And that goes for flesh settings, pave settings. What else could you use that for? Bead settings. I feel like it's still, you know what? I wonder if it's too big. I just assumed that these are all 2mm because I ordered 2mm, but that's not always the case. No, this is perfect, right? Yeah. Okay. I might just need to fix my seat a little bit. You guys don't understand how excited I am about this. Like, my heart is racing because it looks so gorgeous. And I've been wanting to do this for so long. This is too big. It's so pretty. And I only have 2 different colors on here. The woman that sent me my scribe and my quick change handle had once asked me, like, or she had once said to me, I can't wait to see what you create that's Vanessa, like that people would look at it and say, oh yeah, Vanessa made that. This is what I want. This is what I want people to know me for. Like, you'll see. I hope you'll see. I hope it'll make sense when I'm done. That you look at it and you're like, oh, I get it. I understand what she means. Don't get me wrong. I love colorless, but I love color. I need to get well, there's a lot of things I need to get, but I need to get like a gemstone. I don't know if it's like a tray, the ones that you can map and lay out your gemstones on. Because as much as I love the lids to like boxes and stuff, because they don't allow the gemstones to like fall and stuff. Oh, this one's big. 2.08. It's okay. If they go towards that edge, like I had the issue with this thingy, then you can't find them, and I freak out sometimes. Let's see how that goes. I have others. I can always use a different one. But let's see. Oh. Seriously, this is so much easier if you haven't tried this yet. Turn your gemstone upside down. This is big. And just level your ring right on top of it, and it goes in so nice and smooth, unless, of course, it is too big of a gemstone. Time for our third color. Oh, this feels, oh my God. This feels like a big one. Let's see. Oh, it's so pretty. Yeah, 2.15. Oh, okay. I'm really bummed right now. Every single one of these is over 2.15 millimeters. I've had one so big as 2.3. Yeah. This is 2.11. I can maybe use that. I feel like I got the wrong order, that instead of 2 millimeters, they sent me like 2.1 or 2.2 because these are too big. Maybe I can use that. Oh, man. It really makes a difference when you're doing Pave that they're the same size, 2.16. Try and make do with the 2.1 millimeter ones that I have. Let's see what this is. This is big too, I can tell. 2.2, yeah. I'm gonna try. This looks so unbelievably beautiful. I can't wait for you guys to see this. Okay, that was one yellow. Oh my God. If you can't tell that this is the kind of jewelry that I've always wanted to make, and this is what sets my soul on fire, this is it. Okay. I was going to do teal sapphires, but they're not the right color. So instead, we're gonna do some Savorite garnets, and I feel these will be better. Let's see. Man, I'm hungry. It's lunchtime, but I don't want to stop. I want to finish this. Goodness, they're so pretty. Perfect. Okay. Yeah, I think so. Okay. All right. I'm gonna have to do major quality control on these larger gemstones to make sure that they are nicely set. We are on to our last color. These are the Ceylon sapphires. So, okay, 2 gemstones left. Don't drop it. I have all the gemstones in there. I haven't done my quality control check to make sure that they're all set, but I'm so giddy. I can't believe how pretty this is. Unfortunately, it's late. It's late. I need to I need to go make my lunch and eat it and then go to our gym, which is my evening job. So I will not be finishing this until tomorrow, and I will show you what it looks like when it's all finished. But like, I want to cry. This is so stunningly beautiful. I can't wait to show you guys. So I am working on quality control, ensuring that all gemstones are set in there and they're not going anywhere. So I usually just re-bead everything and try and just tighten it all up. And then I go over everything with my Dremel engraver and I put the vibration on it high because it will show me if any gemstones are moving. I know those are loose, or obviously if anything falls out, I know I need to refasten them in there. So that's one of my like super awesome fail safes that really never lets me down. So I'm literally just going bead by bead, gemstone by gemstone, and making sure they're nice and tight on the gemstone so nothing comes out. Moment of truth. Okay, so it was on its highest setting, and I did have one sapphire fall out and nothing else moved. So we're just gonna put that back in. And it even clicks in. It goes in so nicely. So we're just gonna, I know what color it was, but I can't remember if it was the first one or the second one, so we'll just tighten up both. But I'll do that a few times, like over and over and over, just to be certain that these are properly set. It's as much as I use these, it's not the same as having a microscope where I can, like, you know what, I guess I could try and see if a loop plus these would make a difference. If I can find my loop. Oh, here it is. But it's not the same, like, as being able to zoom in really close up in there. So, oh, I don't think this will focus like that. Let's try without this guy. Okay. I gotcha. Okay, so I can see which one it is. It's just sitting sideways a little bit, so I just got to push it in. So I would love to be able to do that while I'm working, but I don't have 3 hands, one to hold the loop and one to set the stones. So while it's good for in-betweens, it's not great for while you're working. All right, I'm gonna pop this out from the back and then get it set straight. 1, 2, 3. There we go. That's why it's nice to have a hole through what you're working on for flush settings or for pave or for grain settings, because if something is like a little bit lopsided and you can't pull it out with pliers or tweezers, you can always just push it from behind, and that also ensures, or is a safe way to check that you have your gemstone set. Because if you're poking it from behind and it's not coming out, it's not coming out. All right, let's see. There we go. Nice and level. Okay. So I will just continue to, I'm actually going to rebead over it. I will just continue to try again with the Dremel engraver. And if everything continuously gives me good results and no gemstones wiggle or fall out, then we can move on to polishing. And then I get to show you what it actually looks like, because you really can't see, and that's okay, because I really want to save this like wow for the grand finale and show you guys how amazing this came out. I'm so excited about these pave options. Okay. I should probably clean up before I begin polishing, because I have stuff all over. Beading tools. This is a 6. This is a 10. My loop. Okay. These are my drill bits. Do I have any out? Doesn't look like it. This is my round burr that I just put down. Other round burrs. My bud burr. Can never have enough burrs. Different shapes, different sizes. Okay. 0.9, 1.5. That's a 1.5. More pliers. My key. And then all of these are gemstones. So they go there. For the longest time, I had my ultrasonic in the room that I solder in, but I don't know why, because I don't solder and then put what I'm soldering in the ultrasonic cleaner. I polish and then put things in the ultrasonic cleaner. So I'm going to put it over here so that it's closer to me. So I'm not running back and forth after polishing to jump in the ultrasonic cleaner. Normally I show you the grand finale at the end, but I've made you wait long enough. So here again is the reference photo, and here is the Pave ring. am so in love with this ring. It turned out better than I had hoped. It's absolutely stunning, and it captures the play of colors that I was hoping it would with how sunset looks. So this will be one of many in a collection of colors. I don't know how to put it. It'll be one in a collection of many Pave rings that play with color in a way that mimics what I'm hoping it will mimic. So this will be, I'm not sure if this will be like summer sunrise or like winter sunset. I haven't quite decided yet, but oh my goodness. It's just, it's so magical the way that the colors just play off of one another. If you enjoyed this video, I would love for you to like it and to subscribe to my channel. It helps me grow my channel, and it helps me as a self-taught metalsmith understand better what you like, the type of content you like, and how I should be growing my channel to suit what you enjoy. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.